Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is a special edition. This is a red alert announcement. Um, the silver conspiracy continues as the exchanges have conspired with the New World Order now to keep the American citizen poor and destitute. They have made it all but illegal now to trade the silver futures and silver spot contracts by raising the margins to over $30,000 per contract and over $6,000 for the small silver contract. The real reason for the flash crash in the silver market was not because of Osama bin Laden. The real reason that they flash crashed the silver market was to stop out all of the small speculators in the silver market. They made it so that once they stopped you out, you would not be able to get back into the market because they secretly, without warning, raised the futures margins again on Sunday night. We have now had 3 margin raises since Friday's close. I repeat, there have been 3 margin changes since Friday's close. This has been done in an effort to stymie the up move in the silver market because they do not want the average American citizen to buy gold and silver or to be able to afford to buy gold and silver, because gold and silver is real currency, real money, and the Illuminati New World Order, they want to corner this market for themselves by hoarding all of the physical and by cornering the market in the futures and the speculative side of things as well, making it so that the average person cannot benefit and protect themselves against the coming dollar crash. Alright, so you know, as I said in the other videos and on the radio program live with Charlie on Wide Awake News Radio, I warned you that we only have about 8 months left into the total collapse of the U.S. dollar, to that it won't be in circulation anymore. And what's happening is, as I do this video, the U.S. dollar is crashing again, and we did break the 72 handle. And the next phase for the U.S. dollar, once we break the 72 handle, we have no support. We will fast track to 60 and then into the 40s. And it will force the U.S. government to do an intervention into the U.S. dollar, something that is virtually never done before. Every other foreign entity on the face of the planet has been routinely intervening into its currency, like Japan and China, and now it's going to happen to the U.S. That is the only way to stop the imminent collapse, not crash, but collapse of the U.S. dollar as a currency. Not just as a world currency, but as a currency, period. If that happens, we won't be able to receive goods and services overseas, and they're going to stop sending goods and services to us. So it would be a real catastrophe. So it's going to force their hand in this matter. I repeat, this parabolic bar you see here was to stop out all the silver longs, okay? Because we had massive volume on the last breakouts here from 2 weeks ago, and people trail their positions. They go up, locking in profit as they go, and then we came in here and we stopped everyone out who was long from here, okay? That was the goal, to get you stopped out and then making it so that it's impossible for you to get back in. When people got in back here, the margin requirement on the silver was only 11 grand, just over 11 grand. And on the mini silver, the margin was only 2,000 or 2,500 to be exact. Now, those people who entered here can't get back in up here because now the margin is $30,000. All right, so this is what's up. It is a conspiracy to keep the retail spec out of the market and to make it so that the average citizen is definitely destitute, financially destitute. That is the plan. The reason they also raised the margin and collapsed the price to get everyone out so that they could do their thing is because they now have plans to take silver to $500 an ounce. Again, I repeat, they want to take silver to $500 an ounce and above, okay? That is coming within the next 8 months. That is the plan. That is why they raised the margin so that no one else could get in except for the elite. Okay, they want to make it unaffordable. and they have their talks now that they will continue to raise the margin and continue to add volatility to scare also the speculators out. Those who can afford $30,000 margin, they want to dissuade them from getting in. So expect $5 to $10 price swings in the silver from now on. Just to recap for you what has happened already, we had an initial $6 plunge, all right, and now we've managed to run from the 42 back up to the 46 handle, okay? Again, that is a $10 move in silver. We had a $10 price swing in silver within the last 12 hours. I repeat, we have had a $10 price swing in silver in just half a day's time. I warned you on the radio show, I warned you in the latest silver videos to get ready for $5 to $10 price moves in the silver market. Well, here you are. Okay, this is just the beginning. The $5 to $10 price range moves will be the norm. And as we get closer to that $100 mark, we will start to see $20 and $30 price swings. All right, that is the plan, because they know that they are planning to collapse the fiat dollar currency, and it's going to lose its world status as the global leader before the final collapse. And then that's where they'll roll out the new system and what they're going to be doing. And it may be backed by gold or silver. All right, so just be prepared and do what you have to do. Okay. Whatever you do, though, don't sell your physicals. Don't sell your physicals. Hold on to your physicals. Only cash them in to meet needs, or to cash them in so that you have enough margin to trade the futures, so that you can acquire more cash to buy more of the physicals. All right. So remember, take what you can, give nothing back.